अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पास्ट पेपर्स के वो क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं जो कि चैप्टर नंबर 16 स्पोर्ट एंड मूवमेंट में से आए हुए हैं। सबसे पहले एमसीक्यूज़ आ जाते हैं। नंबर ऑफ सर्विकल वर्टिब्री इन अ मेल इज़ 7, बोन टू बोन अटैचमेंट इज़ बाय लिगामेंट, मोस्ट एफिशिएंट वेट ऑफ स्पोर्टिंग बॉडी इज़ सीन इन मैमल्स, which one of these is not a joint disease, sciatica, which is not a bone of exoskeleton, pelvic girdle. The microtubules are composed of traces of RNA and protein called tubulin. The colon-chyma cells have protoplast and usually lack secondary wall. The supracoracoid muscle provide power for upward stalk. Movement shown by the sperms of the liverwort mosses ferns towards the archegonia is a chemotactic movement. Which of the following cells have angular thickening in their primary walls? Colon-chyma. Which of the following is a bone of axial skeleton? Rib. Bundle cap in sunflower stems are formed by sclerenchyma. The synovial joint is surrounded by a layer of connective tissues called fibrous capsule. Collagen fibers of bones are heightened by the deposit of calcium phosphate. All the changes of molting are controlled by the various nervous systems and the hormones. Ecdysone. Both bones and cartilage consist of living cells embedded in the matrix of a protein known as collagen. Next आ जाता है the protein filament which bind calcium, troponin. Which one of the following is the plantigrade monkey? Twisting around the actin chain, there are two strands of another protein, tropomyosin. The heart would accumulate the chemicals resins. Spontaneous movement due to the internal cause are called autonomic. The fusion of four posterior pelvic vertebrae is coccus. Fibrous sclerites and vessels are the three types of the sclerenchyma. Bone dissolving cells are called osteoclast. A bone which connects the scapula with the sternum is clavicle. Action of venous flytrap is example of heptonasty. Which of these are long, cylindrical and exist as bundle cap? Tracheids. Which animals have long, narrow wings? Gulls. Leaves go to sleep position when turgor pressure decreases in the lower side of pelvis. Cramp is also known as tetanic contraction. The joint that allows movement in two directions is hinge joint. An increase in plant growth due to the activity of vascular cambium is called secondary growth. The problem in which the contraction of entire muscle take place and last for a few seconds to many hours is cramp. ये आपके MCQs हो गए। अब नेक्स्ट हम डिस्कस करते हैं इसके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस। Characterize colon-chyma cells. Define the process of ecdysis. Differentiate between the epinasty and hyponasty. Differentiate between the passive flight and active flight. Differentiate between the phototactic movement and the phototropism. Differentiate between the primary and secondary growth in plant. Differentiate between the sclerenchyma and colon-chyma cells. Explain hematoma formation. Explain the role of exoskeleton in arthropods. Explain two types of nastic movement. Give two roles of the vascular cambium. How digitigrade differ from the unguligrade? How do sleep movement in plants take place? How muscle fatigue is produced? What are joints? Describe their types. What are the characteristics of smooth muscles? What do you know about the rackets? What is rackets? Give its causes and cures. What is a secondary growth? What is axial skeleton? What is cartilage? Discuss two main types of the cartilage. What is difference between the ligament and tendon? What is synovial joint? Differentiate between the fibers and scleroids. What are sources of energy for muscle contraction? What is herniation of disc? What is passive flight? What is sciatica and its causes? What is the causes of tetanus? What is turgor pressure? Write about the two types of the nastic movement. Write difference between the tetanus and muscular tetany. Explain heptonastic movement by giving an example. Name the types of cells associated with bones. Define chemotactic movement. Write it causes. What is foramen? Define phototactic movement. Give example. Give composition of exoskeleton in molluscs and arthropods. Differentiate between the hyaline and fibrocartilage. Differentiate between the effective and recovery stroke. Name the unpaired fascial bones. Differentiate between the photonastic and thermonasty. Compare the phototropism and geotropism. What is plantigrade? Also give examples. What is foramen? Give its function. What is rigor mortis? Give its causes. Long questions में आ जाता है. Describe paratonic movement in plants. Describe the contraction of sarcomere as initiated by the nerve impulse. Explain the role of calcium ions in sliding filament model. Give an account of structure of skeleton muscle fiber. How energy is produced from muscle contraction. What is the structure of a bone and how does repair of broken bone take place. Write down the mechanism of muscle contraction. What are joints? Give their types. Explain about the exoskeleton in arthropods. Define and explain briefly the fibrous, cartilaginous and synovial joints. Describe tropic movement in plants. Describe the significance of secondary growth. Give a detailed account of sliding filament model. What is endoskeleton? Describe bone and cartilage. Elaborate some major function of the skeleton system. Write note on human appendicular skeleton. Give importance of skeleton. Hopefully ये आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होगा. Thank you.